Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're taking a quick look at what you can do with a D-63 license. And at the bottom of the video we've got timestamps that'll take you to specific sections so you can find the information you're looking for as quickly as possible. Now, the D-63 construction cleanup contractor cleans up and or removes from building grounds or structures any debris resultant from any construction project, including but not limited to concrete, dirt, scrap lumber, plaster, drywall, any paint or adhesive products from windows, floors, ceramic tile, and bathroom fixtures. Now, this classification falls under the C61 limited specialty. I'm not going to go through all of these points. I've got this definition linked below. However, we're going to take a quick look at two very important points. An applicant classified and licensed in the classification limited specialty shall confine activities as a contractor to that field or fields in scope of operations set forth in the application and accepted by the registrar, or to that permitted by Section A31. A specialty contractor other than a C61 contractor may perform work within the field and scope of operations of classification C61, provided the work is consistent with established usage and procedure in the construction industry and is related to the specialty contractor's classification. So you always want to make sure that the type of work you're doing falls under the correct classification so you don't run into any issues with the CSLB. Now, the vast majority of the contractors that hold this license are doing your standard post-construction cleanup. So you're hauling, you're sweeping, junk removal, waste and recycling, commercial building maintenance in some cases, janitorial services, dust containment, in some cases striping, sealing, and waxing. There are certain construction cleanup contractors that specialize in cleaning up medical facilities, interior and exterior window cleaning, and things of that nature. Now, in the state of California, contractors can hold multiple classifications. The most common additional classifications for D-63 contractors is the C21 demolition, and then there is a certificate offered by the CSLB known as the Hazardous Substance Removal Certificate. Now, in the state of California, you've got to pass the California Construction Law Exam, also known as the CSLB Law and Business Exam. This covers a wide range of topics, including taxes, financial reporting, cash management, business structures, contracts, a ton of different information about laws. We cover everything you need to know in our course that you can find below the video. Now, the exam is about 115 questions. It'll be multiple choice, closed book. You'll get 3 hours to complete it. It'll be taken via computer at a proctored testing facility that'll be assigned to you based on your zip code. Now, you also need to be familiar with a few mathematical topics, including arithmetic, units of measurement, calculating square footages, and possibly percentages and decibels. Now, we cover everything you need to know in a very clear and easy to understand format with tons of examples and diagrams, essentially a full summary of everything you need to know. Now, this would come in the form of physical study guides, online videos with audio modules, online practice exams, you get a complete math course, and then application preparation and review, along with full customer support throughout the entire licensing process. Now, we've got another video that goes into the requirements, the fees, and the application. We've also got all of that linked below. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. This is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.